Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm so glad that you're here with me again today. If you've caught some of my previous episodes on my YouTube channel, you've seen I incorporate some of my favorite products. So I've talked about the over-the-door shoe organizer before. Today I'm going to share another favorite product with you, which is the Turntable or the Lazy Susan. I'm hearing people call them both names. So the Turntable comes in so many variety of sizes, different materials from acrylic to wood to bamboo to galvanized metal and so on. So I've assembled some of my favorites today for you, but really what I want to share with you today is the different uses and rooms of your home where you can utilize a turntable. So let's get started here with this turntable where you can see we've got, art supplies, arts and crafts items for children in the home, especially when they're feeling super creative. It's nice to have all of their items grouped together on one shelf or in one cabinet on a turntable so they can access what they need quickly and keep that creative spark going. Another turntable here, I really like this acrylic. It's got dividers inside which are movable so you can customize the space as you need it. So here for today, we've shown that we've got personal items, toiletries, face care, body care, makeup, all of those lotions and potions that a woman needs really handy. The good thing about a turntable in a bathroom is it can be either on the countertop, because we've talked about being a revealer. It can also be in a cabinet or in a linen closet where you'd be more of a concealer. So either way, something like this works beautifully in a bathroom. This is like the granddaddy of the Lazy Susans or the turntable, and I really love it. I believe it is an 18-inch. I can't remember if it's 18 or 21. Actually, it's a 21. So this is, of course, only usable in certain areas where you've got enough shelf space or cabinetry, but it's good for even on the top of a washer or a dryer. You can place laundry items or cleaning supplies in your laundry room. And depending upon your kitchen cabinet under your sink, depending on how large that cabinet is, I have utilized this turntable underneath a sink. And because of its size, you can really fit a lot of good products under there. And we all know under the kitchen sink becomes kind of this abyss of things just getting thrown under there, and you quickly shut the cabinet door. This just makes it stay tidy, look tidy, and you don't avoid that area as much. So I love this large turntable for areas that it fits. And of course, a kitchen and a pantry, that's where you probably see the most turntables right now. It's very traditional to do that, but you can do one for oils and vinegars, spices. I know like this one here is showing salt and pepper. So the more sorted into like items you can put things, especially in a kitchen when you've got this creative cooking genius going on, you want to be able to find your things really quickly and access them and utilize them and use them. And then when you're done, it's just so nice to know exactly where they are going back. So I love a turntable, and these just look super cute. So again, whether this sits on the countertop close to your cooktop is great, or maybe there's room in your pantry on a shelf for them. So I just really do love a turntable. It really is probably my favorite product. So I wanted to be sure to share with you today exactly what types are out there for you. Perhaps you've seen like the double. There's a double stacked one. Be careful when you look at those, because if you are buying spices that are in the bigger quantity size, like at Costco, they don't all fit on the bottom. So they'd have to live on the top shelf of the double-decker turntable. So just remember that. And oil and vinegar is obviously only gonna fit on that top tier. So if you do purchase a double layer, you're gonna have more of the smaller traditional size spices on those. So look them up, they're online, they're easy to find, they're inexpensive, and they are just so easy to utilize in really any area of your home. So I hope those tips were helpful for you today with the turntable. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you'd like to see more tips, tricks, and strategies for living an organized life. Thanks.